are. Finally, we have replaced those old, ugly, shiny red floors with new luxury vinyl flooring. It was a task, but we found some that almost identically match the existing laminate and the rest of the downstairs. So we actually started the floors last December. The floors have been done for quite some time, but we had some finishing touches to complete before I could finish the video. So here we are, now in August. Our floors are done for the most part. More on that later. For now, enjoy the video. We did remove 4-inch baseboards in the dining, kitchen, and hallway, and we were replacing that with a 3-inch to match the living rooms. So we had to do some sanding, patching, and of course here I am painting the areas that were showing above that 4-inch line. Alrighty guys, so it is the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the progress that we made yesterday. I didn't do a lot of filming yesterday just because my dad was here and helping me, and I'm sure he didn't want to be on camera and all that stuff. So this is what we're looking like today. So this is obviously the dining space. We got pretty much all of the kitchen done, which I'll show you in a second. But I did want to show you the two floors next to each other. So they're obviously not the exact same flooring,
But what we wanted to do was try to match them the best that we could, so it wasn't an obvious contrast like the old orangey, red, shiny floors that we had down before. Obviously this one's got a lot more black and like knotting into it, and this one does not. But that's okay. Like I said, it's a lot better than it was before, and it just makes my heart happy. So this flooring was laminate, and then this is vinyl, which we wanted vinyl in our kitchen just because it's a lot better of a floor for a kitchen. It does a lot better with water and stuff like that, whereas laminate would just bubble up and not do well with water. So we definitely wanted vinyl in the kitchen and dining area. We still have not gotten our baseboards. That'll be a later project. Yeah, but we will certainly be working on that, putting our trim back up on our door and all that. Going into the kitchen. So Randy did pretty much this entire side by himself, which is crazy considering there was a ton of tedious cuts. I mean, especially matching this floor up on this side of the wall, having to work our way this way and then meeting together. Anyway, all the tedious cuts underneath the appliances, he did a really good job. And then he finished about here, and then I finished this stuff today. My plan was to go all the way down the hallway and get that stuff finished, but it is a 2-person job. I'm waiting on him, and we'll work on that in the next couple of days or so. And then I pretty much laid this entire side with my dad yesterday. So of course it was easy for us, just a square room. But yeah, going into the hallway, like I said, I wanted to lay this myself, not happening. So we still have the hallway to do, all around the corner into the closet. And then do not judge my room. This has been our drop zone for the last day and a half, our laundry room. But yeah, we do need to do this room as well. But yeah, just a quick update. It's coming along okay. Okay, so it's August, and if you didn't notice from the clips in the beginning of the video, we started working on these floors in the dead of winter. I honestly don't remember if it was December, January, February. It's been months. The floors have been laid for months, but the only reason that I have not posted this yet is because we had not completed our baseboards, and I just wanted everything to be done. But we kind of took a hold on that, and then once the weather got warm, we started working on things outside, so we just had not completed the baseboards. The only reason I'm telling you that right now is because our baseboards are painted, they are cut, they're laid, but they are not nailed in and caulked yet, and we have not finished our transition boards, and we have not finished some quarter end and some spaces. So I didn't want to just post this video and have you be like, that doesn't really look great, her baseboards don't even look like they're attached. That's because they're not. But I wanted to get this video out because we've been in this house for a year, and I so badly want to film my walkthrough of the house after a year, everything that we've completed. And I couldn't just simply do that and there just randomly be new floors and I hadn't even addressed it, or just throw away all the footage and all the work that I've worked on previously on this video. So everything, all the floors are in, and that's what this video is about. So regardless, I wanted to get this out. I want to finally be done with this project and show all of you my new floors. And finally, floors that are laid, completed. I've mentioned before that we really wanted to try to match the new floors to the existing laminate floors. I think we did a pretty good job. The camera makes it look a little bit more different than they are in person. In person, you truly can't even tell much of a difference. The only thing is really this transition strip that we have to have here because the floors are different heights. However, that's not the transition strip that's staying there. That is the old transition strip. We just have yet to find one that matches perfectly and that does play with those heights there. So this room is really the one that's changed the most, this room and the laundry room, since laying the floors. We did finally get a dining room table in here. That was a whole journey. This was like the third table that we ordered. So yeah, we have an official dining room, which is great. It's been this way for months, but either way. New dining table, hung up some shelves, have a little bar area, a new light, and some chairs for our bar. And of course the floors flow into the kitchen. Some more projects for us here in the future in here, I think, to lighten up the space a bit, especially since we have a wood on wood tone thing going on here. I still don't want to paint the cabinets. I do love the raw wood look to the cabinets, so those will be staying the same. And carrying on into the hallway, again, we have the existing laminate floors in both living rooms, and they look pretty good here as far as the matching. This way into the hallway, our like linen closet or cleaning closet, carried the floors on into there, and into the laundry room slash mudroom. This room really had a full overhaul once we got the floors laid. It was just pretty much bare when we moved in here. We didn't have any sort of storage or anything like that. So we have her a cute little food and water bowl that matches the aesthetic of the rest of the house. A little bench that she likes to lay on all the time. Some shoe storage. Some nice little coat storage for us in the winter. Some wall decor, finally. And the star of the show really is this butcher block countertop that we just put on top of the washer and dryer. It came raw. We just put some polyurethane on it. Decorated the top a little bit, and then the sign that my friend Sarah made for me. thank you so much for watching. I really hope it was worth the wait. But like I said, in the next week or so, I will be filming a walkthrough of the house and show everything that we have done so far, and again, talk about the things that I still want to do. But either way, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.